What's up guys, I'm Chirag and welcome to part 11 of the tutorial series on Python Basics tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to cover the basic difference between the list and tuple or tuple within Python. So let's get started. So basically list and tuple fall under collection object types in Python. So now as you can see on my screen on the left side, I had listed few difference between list and tuple. So we will go through it one by one. So the very first difference is that the syntax difference. So we can define a list using square braces, and we can define a tuple or tuple using round braces or the parenthesis. So if we go ahead and define, and I say x underscore list equal to 1 comma 2 comma 3. So this is how we can define a list. And now if we want to define a tuple, so I can say x underscore tuple equal to parenthesis or the round braces followed by 1 comma 2 comma 3 which are the elements within that tuple. And here we are, right? So we have list and tuple defined. Now the second difference is that the list is efficient, no doubt, but tuple is more efficient as compared to list in terms of iteration. Now moving along, list consumes more memory and tuple consumes less memory. So if I go ahead and say x underscore list dot underscore size of, and if I say enter, so it returns 64. So basically this size of method returns the size of the object in bytes. So x underscore list depicts that it's 64 in bytes. Now if I perform the same operation on x underscore tuple, then it returns 48. Hence we can say that list consumes more memory as compared to tuple, which consumes less memory. Now moving along to the next difference, that is list is mutable, or we can modify an elements within the list, while tuple is immutable and we cannot modify or append any element within the tuple. So let's have a look. Now if I go ahead and say x underscore list dot append an element, I want to append 4, and if I say enter, then we will have one more element, that is 1 2 3 and the 4. Now if I try to perform same operation within tuple, then it will return tuple does not have the attribute append. So let's see. So as you can see, it says tuple object has no attribute append, but if I try x underscore tuple 0 index equal to 4, so here I am trying to assign an element at the given index. So if I try to reassign that element, then again it will throw an error saying tuple does not support item assignment. Correct? So you cannot change or modify the tuple once it is defined. Correct? So hence list is mutable and tuple is immutable. Now list supports slicing, and we can access element by index, as well as we can perform the same operation on tuple, that is slicing, and we can access the element by index within list and tuple both. So let's have a look. Now if I say x underscore list and I want to access an element at index 2, then it will return 3, whatever the element is. Correct? And same goes with x underscore tuple, and if I say index 3, then it's out of range because we don't have any element at the third index. Correct? So I can say list of 1 basically, sorry, x underscore tuple of 1, then it return 2. Correct? So we can access the element by index within list and tuple both, as well as list supports slicing. So we can say x underscore list, I want to fetch the element from index 0 to 2 basically, then it will return the very first 2 elements, that is 1 and 2. And same goes with x underscore tuple, it return 1 and 2. Correct? So as a result, both support slicing and we can access elements by index. Now coming to the very last difference, that is homogeneous and heterogeneous. So basically tuples are preferred to be used as to store the heterogeneous data, and lists are preferred to be used or advised to be used for storing homogeneous data. But this is basically only the semantic difference in terms of data. So it depends on the type of data and its semantics. So it differs at the application level. Now if I say a underscore list equal to list of names. So I can say Chirag or something like that. Correct. Oops. So we can say a underscore list is holding the homogeneous data, correct, because it's a similar type of data. It's consists of the first name of a person. Now if I say b underscore tuple or maybe a underscore tuple equal to, here I can say first name and last name. So this type of data can be said as the heterogeneous data, since it consists of first name and last name, and it can follow the same for rest of the elements. Or it can be the first name, the location where he stays, or the state name and the country name, right? So this pattern it will follow. It's a kind of heterogeneous data, but again, as I said, it depends on the type of data and how we define the semantics of that data. So again, homo means the same type and hetero means different types. So here it is not mandatory to store heterogeneous data in a tuple and homogeneous data in the list. It's basically advisable, or it's a suggestion to store that kind of data respectively. But you can store any type of data within list and tuple. So it depends on you what you want to store. Now the very last thing or the very last difference I would like to cover is the tuple is of fixed length. So as we just saw, we cannot append or we cannot modify the element within the tuple. So once the tuple is defined, it's going to stay as it is, and its length is going to stay as it is. Whereas within list, we can modify the list, we can add an element, we can insert an element at certain index, we can delete an element. So list is not of fixed length, it's of dynamic length, right? So well, these are the basic difference that I wanted to cover between list and tuple as a part of the Python tutorial series. Well, so that's all for now. And till that time, if you want me to do tutorial on any use case or service, then please leave them below and I will try my best to come up with the tutorial as soon as possible. And if you have any queries or comments, then again please leave them below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and see you next time.